severe weather information.
What is it now? Ah! I was completely idiot! Why the heck isn't my WR120 activating? Okay.
Weather bulletin.
Let me just fix
For the
this.
following counties.
I swear I put this on voice.
Greene and Washington. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Hold on.
southeastern Washington County in
I
southwestern
gotta fix
Pennsylvania.
this. Why isn't it?
County in southwestern Pennsylvania.
Why isn't the
Fayette
tone
County
going
in
on?
southwestern Pennsylvania. Monongalia County in northern West Virginia. Northwestern Tucker
Play.
County in
Voice.
northeastern West
Select,
Virginia.
please.
Hudson County in northeastern West Virginia. Eastern Marion County
My
in northern
God
West Virginia
dang it.
until 4 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located.
I was
along a line
completely
extending
wrong.
from
I
near
did-
Madison
I
Mountain
didn't
near
know-
Bridgeport, moving east
I
at
didn't
55
know
miles
that
per
the
hour.
WR
Hazard.
120 activated in my last EAS video.
Radar. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations
I was a
impacted
complete
include
dumbass.
Morgantown, Fairmont, Uniontown, Connellsville, Westover, Kingwood, Star City, Terra Alta, Rollsburg, Pleasant Valley, Winfield, Fredericktown, Millsboro. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 31. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 8. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 130 and 160. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather Bulletin.